In this walkthrough, we will see how you can add an Azure Search Service account that you want to manage through Cloud Portal. Before you can add an Azure Search Service account, there are a few things that you would need. You would need to know the search service name that you want to add. You would need to know the API key for the search service, and this would be the admin API key, and we can use either the primary or the secondary API key, and then the data center location where this search service is located. Now we can find all of these information from Azure Management Portal. So let's head on to the preview portal from where we will get this information. So here I am on the preview Azure Management Portal. So what I will do is I'll click on browse, and then I will go down, click on search services, and now I'm seeing all my search service. So first thing that I will note down the name of my search service, which is Cloud Portal, and then I will note down the location, which is the West US. So now I have this information with me. The next thing that I would need is the admin API key. So I click on keys, and here I have the primary admin key and the secondary admin key. I can use any of these admin keys. So let's go with the primary key, and what I will do is I will copy this thing. And so now my admin key has been copied. Now what I will do is I will head on to the team edition of Cloud Portal and see how we can add an Azure Search Service account. So right now I'm sitting at the Cloud Resources dashboard. As we saw in the walkthrough for adding an Azure Storage account, you can click on this button and select Add Search Service Account, or you can right click anywhere on the empty area, and from the context menu click on Add Search Service Account. So now it is so now I got the form where I will input all the information that I got from the portal. So I'll just say Cloud Portal, and I will paste the API key, and I know that my search service is located in the West US data center, so I will provide that information, and then I will click on next. Now here is an interesting part. Essentially Cloud Portal allows you to save your account key with Cloud Portal. So basically when it comes, so you could either choose whether you want to save the API key or not. So if you don't want Cloud Portal to save the API key, simply uncheck this box, and Cloud Portal will not save the API key anywhere in our database. What this would mean is anytime you use the search service account for managing that account, you will have to provide the API key. So and now you could also instruct Cloud Portal to save the API key. Now when it comes to saving the API key, essentially you get two options. The first one is encrypt and save API key on my computer. What happens in this case is Cloud Portal essentially encrypts the API key and then saves that API key in your browser's local storage. It is not stored anywhere in our database. And the second option is encrypt and save API key in Cloud Portal's database. In this case, Cloud Portal will encrypt the API key using industry standard encryption algorithms, and then save the API key in its database. For Team Edition, we recommend that you go with this option so that you don't have to share the API key with your users. Groups, as we discussed in other walkthroughs, groups is a logical categorization of your cloud resources. So you can assign a group to this search service account. So for now, let's leave it default. Friendly name is an optional thing that you can use. You can specify an alternate name by which you want to identify this search service account. So I can say, I can put here Cloud Portal Search Service Account. If I leave it empty, then it will take the name of the search service. So I have provided this information, and when I click on the finish button, what the application will do is first it will validate whether you have specified the correct API key or not. And if the API key is correct, then what it will do is it will store this information in Cloud Portal database. So let's press finish button, and now at this time it has added the search service account into Cloud Portal, and then now you are ready to manage this particular search service account. So this is how easy it is to add an Azure Search Service account into cloud.